Good day and welcome. I'll be answering WASSCE 2018 Mathematics Past Question 36. Find the nth term of the sequence 2 times 3, comma, 4 times 6, comma, 8 times 9, comma, 16 times 12. Now looking at this sequence, you observe that this is the first term, the second, the third, and the fourth term. Now looking at this, you see that this first part here of this sequence are in what are powers of 2. Looking at the first term, you say you have here is what 2 and n here is equals to 1. That means 2 raised to the power of 1 to give us what 1. Likewise here we have what 2 and n here is what 2 raised to the power of 2 to give us what 4. Same thing to here, 2 n is 3, 2 raised to the power of 3 to give us what 8. And similarly here too, 2 raised to the power of what 4, since 4 is n is 4 here, and that is 16. So you can see that the first numbers are what are powers of 2. Now looking at the second number here given, you see that notice that the second number here are multiples of what? Multiples of 3. How? N here is 1. Now 3 times 1 will give us what 3. N here is 2. 3 times 2 will give us what 6. That means 3n. That's 3 multiplied by what 1 here. Here will be 3 multiplied by what 2. Here will be what 3 multiplied by 3 to give us 9. And here will be what 3 multiplied by 4 to give us 12. So we can therefore see that what this sequence is given as 2 raised to the power of n multiplied by 3n. That is, when n equals to 4, we can say 2 raised to the power of 4, which is 16, multiplied by 3 times 4, that's 3 times 4, which is what? Which is 12. And like you can see, the fourth term. So the nth term of this sequence is what? 2 raised to the power of n multiplied by 3n. And that is option B. Thank you and God bless you. Ensure to subscribe to the channel for more videos and past questions.